Poppin'. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing.
What's up, what's up, what's up? This is Mark with Empire Customs Auto Detailing. And today I'm going to take you through our new detailing van. This is our Honda Odyssey 2005. It's pretty advanced on the inside, but I'm going to do a video of this, and then we're going to take everything out of it, and then we're going to do a video with a minimalist setup in there. See which one you guys think you like better, to show you that we can do it the advanced way and also with just a little bit of nothing in there to get the job done. So let's get to it. Let's start with this side. We usually always work out of the passenger side of the vehicle. Just makes life a little easier. So we'll start up top right here. We have our pressure washer that gets fed water from our water tank, which is right down here, and we fill it up through this spout right here, and it has a cutoff, a shut-off valve in there, so when it fills up to that inlet right there, it shut it off. That way we don't have to worry about it overflowing. Then it's we have the hose led to this pump, and this pump feeds the pressure washer. Everything on this setup that we have right here is off of the remote control. So we have number 3 on, we hit to turn the pump on. Pressure washer is turned on by the button up top. The number 2 turns on the air compressor, and number 1 turns on the vacuum. That way when we're working inside the vehicle or out, we can turn stuff off as we need to. So next up we have our air compressor right there. We have 2 lines that come out of it that go to our reels. Then on that far side over there, we have our vacuum. We have all of our bottles with all the chemicals that we need to use throughout the detail right there, plus some gallons to refill the stuff we use the most. Have some gallons of our car wash soap, and back there is I think that's our wax. Yes, in that gallon back there is our wax. Keep our wash bucket right here, bags to put individuals' items in. We have our generator right there, which is on a slide, so we can slide it out outside the vehicle, and it's connected to that power right there, runs up, and there's actually a power block back there for everything. Pressure washers plug straight in there. We have our cordless vac, an extra one that we use. And here we have all of our tools. We have our drills, batteries, paint gun that we use for conditioner, put on tire shine, all of our air tools, brushes, everything right here. Then down here we have our step stool that we use, also a brush, our hose to plug in if we need to use customers' water. If we're getting low, we can plug this in. We've never had a problem using customers' water ever. Extra power wire. Down here we have extra accessories for our steamer, and just some different types of tools that we use right there. Also, we ran this bungee across the top that we hang our towels up to let them dry when we're going in between details. All right, let's move on to the other side real quick. All right, we have our pump sprayer. That's electric, battery powered. We use that that's our degreaser in there. Some of our carpet cleaning chemicals go with the Flex Fire and Ice. Our pressure washer, or excuse me, our generator is on a slide. I'll show you how that pulls out real quick. So our generator is on a slide right here. Pulls out like so. Sits right like that while we're working. We also have our chemicals up there, foam cannons, and then we have these clips that we use for whenever we need to hang up floor mats and stuff. We can either hang them up off the rail up here, or sometimes we just hang them off the door right there also. There's our power block that I was telling you guys about back there that has everything plugged into it. Nice little setup, organized, keeps everything out of the way. Let's check out what we got in the back here. All right, so back here we got our trash cans. We use the black one for trash, this one's for our towels. We got our sprayer we use for carpet. So I'll just start right here to the left. We have a 50-foot power cord that we can pull out and go. We use that to run our blower when we're drying off vehicles, getting all the cracks and crevices blown out. We have 2 air pressure hoses that are on reels. That's the Flexzilla 3/8 swivel for connects. All right, this is our vacuum hose that we have on a reel. Makes it real convenient just to pull out and go. And it's connected to our vacuum that's up there on the shelf. We have our pressure washer hose with the gun on this reel. Pull out and go, everything real quick. Keep a bucket heater with us for the winter time. We also have this that we use to fill buckets up. Now we can just fill our buckets, we just drop this down, let the water out and go. Also keep our steamer right here. And then we have our rag buckets, microfiber rags, microfiber, and then down here we have our wash towels that we use, our drying towels, excuse me. Over here we have our floor mats. So everything pretty much ran out of the back of this vehicle. Everything comes out the back right here and we're ready to go. That way we don't have to worry about running into the generator or anything like that. We come right out the back with all of our tools and stuff. Back here we have extra hoses for the steamer and also an extra vacuum hose. Pull this down right here. And we also have a hose back here that we use that hooks up to the steamer for extraction. I like to use the steam on extraction. It just keeps everything from, especially during the winter time, keeps everything from getting so soaked and wet using a regular extractor. That steamer extractor is really, really good. We don't have any problems with anything getting too saturated and stuff. It works just the same. All right, I'll take you in a little closer so you can see the stuff. That right there is our blower. And then back there is where we have our, let's see if you can see it real quick. Our hose reel, 50-foot electrical. We got our vacuum hose, 50-foot on a reel. Both of our Flexzilla retractable hoses, air pressure hoses right there to run our vortex and blowguns and everything else. Have our pressure washer wheel. Pressure washer hose right here. We got the gun for it right there. So that just pulls out and goes. It's all ready to go. Our steamer. There's our drying towels. Floor mats. tubs of microfibers, extra vacuum hose back here, steamer hose, steamer extraction hose right there. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up on our 2005 Honda Odyssey detailing van. It still needs to be wrapped. We do color change car wraps here at the shop, Empire Customs. So we'll do a video on that of us wrapping this vehicle. Then we're also gonna pull everything out of here and go to a minimalist style and show you how that's set up. Other than that, we just moved into the shop about a couple months ago, so we're still working on it, but it's coming out pretty good. We do ceramic coatings, polishing. We also detail here. Rarely, our staple is mobile. And we also do color change car wraps. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, and until next time, Empire Customs, peace.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing.